Blessed be, blessed be, blessed be to you. It's the Chronicles of L. Thank you for coming through. Blessed be, blessed be, blessed be to you. It's the Chronicles of L. And y'all know how we do so true. Blessed be, blessed be, blessed be to you. It's the Chronicles of L. And y'all know I love my crew. Blessed be, blessed be, blessed be to you. It's the Chronicles of L. And y'all know we love you. Oh, come through the L love you. Ooh, come through the L love you. Blessed be, so deemed, so true. It's the Chronicles of L, and we rolling with you. Yay, what's up, y'all? Blessed be, this is L, Loving Light from the Chronicles of L. I'm looking real greasy. Ooh. Ooh, y'all, I'm looking a little greasy. Okay, well, we on, nevertheless. This is L, we here. My orange juice right here, because we got a little breakfast. Actually, it's brunch, and as y'all probably don't know, L stopped smoking. Blessed be. So y'all won't see no more videos of me doing well, you will see me getting the smoke with the sage and shit, but not with the bud. Okay, I'll be 41 years old this year, but I'm still in hopes. I want to have another child. So I have to get myself prepared to stop smoking and shit, get my body right, get it under control. And not just having another child, but I just want to be physically fit. So, that's what we doing. And well, I'm about to get into this brunch. Y'all already did a video where I showed what I made. So y'all see that fried chicken right there. Let me bring that in for you. Fried chicken. It seemed like as soon as I brought the chicken in, the glare got lighter. There's the fried chicken. I made my own waffle, so see he sleep right there, ready to be awakened. You know? And we got that chicken Caesar salad. Just like that. And I'm about to let y'all see. Now, my man and shit ain't here. It's just me alone. And when I'm alone with my food, I make love in the club. In the club. In the club. Y'all know I make love in the club. When it's time to eat that food. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Y'all know I'm a foodaholic. My name is L. And I'm a foodaholic. I got a problem, y'all. I got a real bad problem when it come down to food. I love healthy food, though, nevertheless. I'm sorry, I'm talking to y'all. Oh. Hey, I just want to let y'all know. My chakras and shit are so aligned and so clear that I can feel all of the nerves, and I can taste inside of my head. As crazy as that sound, I'm that in touch and in tune with my shit. If it's bitter, if it's sour, if it's sweet, I get it all up in the frontal lobe. I get it all in the crown. I feel it in my ears and my neck and shit. That's how I have to taste my food. I'm that type of being. You understand? I'm not a human. You understand what I'm saying? I am a being. Not a human being, but a being. A being that desires to taste the food on this planet Earth, because I'm not from here. You feel me? The freshiness. And if y'all hear that noise in the background, I got my air on. Freshiness is not a word, but it is today. Oh, fresh fruit. I do have foodgasms too, y'all, by the way. Beware. Oh. Ooh, y'all. Ooh. Oh my God, the flavor. Oh my God, the flavor. Ooh. The flavor. You remember the food, Jacob? Oh my God. The flavor. The flavor, y'all. Mmm. Mmm. No. Mmm. I put Parmigiano Romano. Mmm. 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 Oh. See, I got a problem, and I don't know what to do, 'cause food is always on my mind. Mmm. Mmm. That's how you can do when your man ain't around. That's what you want to do when your man ain't home. Mmm. 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 Oh. Mmm. 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 You know when he home, or you out on a date, you don't get to really become one with your food. We gonna become one today. Mmm. 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 Y'all. Got lipstick and shit all over my fork and shit. Mmm. Put it on here. Mmm. Mmm. That strawberry. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Oh my God. Mmm. 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 This is why bitches be fat at home in front of the TV with no man. Food. It tastes that good. Mmm. 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 I love a soggy crouton. Mmm. 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 That was an afternoon. Y'all know I got some big ass lips. So when I'm out in the public, y'all know I don't really eat. Or I'll keep my head, because motherfuckers be watching me. But see, now I'm at home. And now y'all get to see it. Why the fuck I don't eat in public? Now everybody that I didn't been to like an event show, a house or some shit like that, some outing with you, and y'all see that I don't eat. Even women be watching me eat. Like, God damn. How she eat with her lips so fucking big? And then she's a vacuum cleaner. She's just sucking the food up. I can't help that Mother Divine gave me these. I don't know what she gave them to me for. I haven't a clue. All I know is that she knew that they were necessary for a time such as this, and just in my existence period. I'm gonna get this out the way because it's starting to look nasty. That bothers me. I don't like to see plates look disgusting, even if I'm the one who messed it up. I didn't bring my straw, y'all, but who gives a shit? I'm at home. Whew. I almost finished it off. I think I'm going to save one of these pieces of chicken for my daughter. For one of my daughters. But before I mess this up, I did see how this was, right? I was going to just do a chicken sandwich like that. I'm going to save a piece of it for my daughter, though, because she was like, Mom, there's fried chicken? I said, no, baby. Because I made chicken Caesar salad for her, too. She and I. She's at home. She hasn't been feeling well. So, oh my God, I'm so sorry, y'all. We're 11 minutes in and I cannot redo this video over. I'm so sorry. That came out of the system shit. I guess shit, I was ready to eat. I'm so sorry, y'all. Guess it come with the territory. Now my waffle look a little dark because I did kind of toast it with maple syrup over it, on it. So it got a little dark. Because I wanted to do like a chick griddle type of thing. Where, oh my God. But I didn't wait. What the hell am I talking about? This sandwich got me mesmerized. This is a shame. You're all I think about. You're all I want, girl. Ooh, you all I think about. Oh. Oh my God. I'm not gonna sit here and let y'all see me eat this whole damn sandwich. What was we talking about? I got lipstick under my chin. Oh shit! Yo, cold. Y'all wasn't gonna even tell me. Sorry, y'all, for the little delay. My daughter had her mask on at the door, waving for me to come in. Tell me something. So, I brought my sanitizer, though, from my hands. This is from my line. It's called Insta-Kill. And it's hand sanitizer. It's surface cleanser. You can spray it anywhere. Your hands, any type of surface. In the air, on the clothes, bed, the tables, chairs. It's going to wipe your shit out. Clean you up good. I brought that. Now we about to get back into my baby. Ooh, yeah. Are you ready? What you say? You know what? I'm gonna do you that honor. I'm gonna give you that much dignity. I'm gonna give you that much dignity. I'm gonna let the people see you go out with a fight. I don't even know where to. I gotta get in where I can, y'all. Where can I get in? I want some of this chicken. Oh! Ridiculous. This is ridiculous. I'm about to get mad. It's so good. Girl. Oh. Y'all. I'm getting full. I don't know how much more I could take. Found the crumb. My crumb. Oh, that was a crispy crumb, too. Y'all. I wish y'all was here to join me. I wish y'all was here to have partaken in that. Oh, long throat ass. Oh, long throat having ass. Y'all. Put on some of my Insta-Kill. Cleanse my hands because you know I had some syrup. Can y'all see me? I've been in the shadows all this time, huh? There's that Insta-Kill. Get a little bit more. All right, y'all. That was Elle's first ASMR. You want to see? It's a romper. Y'all see my romper? It looked like a dress, but it's a romper. It is a romper dress. But that's how I was looking today, y'all. Like, subscribe, share. This is BCBG Wow, by the way. I love them. They're so classic. I picked up this piece at a yard sale, cleansed it, and now she mine. You understand what I'm saying? Just did my hair this morning. And I'm feeling great. Like, subscribe, share. It's L. The Chronicles of L. Blessed be to you. I love you. Come back for another ASMR, all right? Peace and blessings to you. 1.